My sink sucks. The water doesn't run fully, it trickles barely, and it also doesn't drain well. And also, at the top, there's an emergency drain just in case it overflows, and that is also disconnected. So today I'm going to fix all three of those things, and yeah, let's get right into it. So I think that I have some Drano or whatever will clean out the drain, so I just need to find it. It's either in my storage room or underneath my sink that doesn't work, so we'll find that. And then also for the emergency drain, I got this on Amazon. It is this silicone, basically just a silicone applicant, like caulk, kind of exactly like caulk. So hopefully this will work for the application. I was originally gonna get Flex caulk, but this is just so much cheaper. It was $3 or $4 and Flex caulk is 20. I also don't need that much. The Flex caulk is a normal caulk tube and I don't need that much. I need maybe like a French fry worth of it and put that around the tube, which you guys will see. But let's go try and fix those. With the reduced water pressure, it still has issues draining, as you can see, so we'll see if I can fix it. I'll take Apple Watch off. Nasty stuff gonna happen here. At first, I thought it was a P-trap issue, so I took the P-trap off, and it ended up not being this issue, but I cleaned it out, and I had to dump out some nasty water into the toilet, and then I also cleaned off this stopper thing because it had lots and lots of gunk on it. Here I'm recalking or resealing the emergency drain so then water doesn't drip out when water is trying to go out from it. After I recalked the emergency drain and I kind of fixed the problem that was happening with the main drain, I had to focus on the faucet. The water pressure was down, so I tried to take off the top of the faucet to get better access to the aerator to see if that was the issue. So the faucet pressure was not correct, so I tried doing everything I could. I tried turning off the water supply and back on. I tried brushing the top of the faucet with a toothbrush, and none of that really worked. And I tried taking the aerator off, and then when I was taking the aerator off, the pipe was kinked. So that means that I would not be able to repair it because it is copper piping, and you may know this, but the copper pipe, once you bend it, is not going to bend back before it breaks. You can't just reform it. And so the water pressure was still down, so my dad actually went to Menards. Well, I figured out how to take the old sink off. Replacing the faucet took a long time and there were a couple issues. The first one was not reading the instructions well. I thought the O-ring was supposed to go on when you did a 3-hole solution, which is what we have, but it was only a 1-hole solution. Also, I did not realize that the gallons per minute had changed in regulations over time, and now it is way less, so the faucet still gives off not as much as the mirroring one on the same counter. The third issue that I ran into was actually just a stupid issue. I tested the hot water when it was screwed in when I did not test the cold water. So I had the hot water connected but not the cold one, and so it just went in the hot water and then out the cold one, so everything got soaking wet. But I cleared out the cabinet, which was good, so not a lot of stuff got wet, so just me and the towel and a couple things. Obviously there was lots to clean up after. We had to clean up all the different tools we used, probably 20 different ones, as well as the new sink, different parts, and the plunger parts, and the different tools that I used to try and fix it that didn't even work. Overall, this faucet project was a big learning experience. I learned about the waterworks in homes as well as troubleshooting in general. I learned that you need to iterate on your solutions and change them if they aren't working so you can still ultimately reach that goal and that solution in the end. And even though things might not work out on the way, you need to push through them, and that is how you will get to your goals.